You know, I've been getting messages where people are excited to go back to theatres because, you know, just like us, even they want to go out. They've been doing everything.
Shut up. But मुझे trypophobia है.
What is trypophobia? वो क्या आवाज होती है?
It's basically a fear of like holes, like a collection of holes.
वो ये छोटे-छोटे गोले जो होते हैं जो I'll show you on the phone.
No, please.
मुझे लेटर बॉक्स के पास भी कई बार होते हैं.
Stop.
But I feel that one day I won't be able to act.
मेरा आंसर है.
नहीं मैं आपसे but
Hello everyone, welcome to Midday. I'm Parul Sharma and today we have with us three powerhouses of talent. Rajkumar Rao, Janhvi Kapoor and Varun Sharma. Hi guys, welcome.
Hello.
Thank you.
So this is my first in-person interview in over a year. I'm super excited. How does everybody else feel going into promotions with actual human beings and not computer screens?
it feels like life might be going back to normal finally. I was really missing human interaction.
It's a good feeling.
Yeah.
Feeling alive again, I think.
Alive again.
Like now you feel like a real person. When I spoke to you on Zoom, I wasn't sure if like you existed.
To kick things off, what was one truly bizarre thing that happened to you guys during the lockdown period, back when it was like really strict and we were all like in our houses? Like something like that you didn't think you would be in that situation ever if it weren't for a pandemic.
Can I tell you one thing that I found was, it's kind of humorous now. You know, when in the start, when like people started getting like COVID or like, and not even them, like people like someone's help or someone's driver or someone, and I know that I did this, like we'd all like post like a thing about it, and now it's like इतने लोगों को हो गया है कि मतलब at that time it was almost as if, you know, a crime has been committed, so we must inform society कि हमारे घर पे ये हुआ है.
To inform you that this has happened.
And now that I think of it in hindsight, I'm like, why did we do that? अभी तो कितने लोगों को होके चला भी गया. It's not like there's some.
That's true. Yeah, that was a moment when everyone was like, hi guys, मेरे घर में हुआ है, just letting everybody know. What about you guys? Something
Not
like
bizarre.
outrageous.
I think just to I couldn't have imagined ever to see Mumbai in this way, you know, where the roads are absolutely empty. You see it from your balcony and there's nobody on the streets, which was beautiful also in a way. Of course, it was the need of the hour. But just to see the nature in its full glory, you could hear birds chirping. That was actually beautiful, not bizarre.
Okay. Yeah. Interesting take. What about you?
For me also, I think it's not bizarre, but I did a lot of other things here which I didn't do. Like my mother is a lecturer. She used to head the Department of Fine Arts in one of the oldest colleges in my hometown, Jalandhar, and now she's retired and she's with me. So being a artist's son, all I could draw was mountain, one wo sun, घर और ऐसे river आ रही है बाहर. It's the first time I learned painting from my mother. I made my first knife oil painting with her, which took about a week to kind of get completed and all that. It still has it. So I mean, all these years I didn't I was just so in a rush about my own stuff. ये वो लगे हुए थे भागा दौड़ी में कुछ है. This is actually the first time me and her we just painted. We
bonded.
It's the first painting where my mother and my signatures are together. Like it's a memory. Like I want to show.
So nice.
Yeah. Like I want to show it to my kids whenever I
Photo दिखाना बाद में.
दिखाऊंगा. So I mean, so these are little things and all that. My mother teaching me cooking. So we didn't have a house help and all that because my house helps, they wanted to go out and stay with their friends for 4-5 days that day time during the peak. My mother's like, beta, you can't go. They said we'll quit, but we'll go. We have to meet our friends. I was like, okay. I was like, okay. So then
it's okay, you fire us, but we have to go.
Yeah, so they went.
Party अब रुकनी नहीं चाहिए.
So I did all the household work with my mother, and my sister recently got married last year. So now it's just my mom and me who are at home. So I mean, all these things, like how big a thing it is to run a house. I got the value of it during that period. I was like, Mama, you are very busy. Trust me, you are very busy. Now I understand that, you know, you're
what
so
goes
busy and
into
what
this.
goes in and all that, and it's not easy to run a house. Absolutely. And I actually learned that during that phase.
Are you guys feeling like some sort of anxiety about your movie releasing in the theatres because it's like one of the first big movies to actually hit the silver screens? कि लोग जाएंगे, are they still apprehensive या फिर अब रखा?
We are very happy. We are very happy.
Very excited.
And you know, I've been getting messages where people are excited to go back to theatres because, you know, just like us, even they want to go out. they have been doing everything.
Yeah.
You know, going to cafes, flying, watching cricket
That's
matches,
Yeah.
everything. Trains. So now theaters is something which we all love, and especially in our country, we
Yeah.
love going to a cinema hall. And they're also waiting. And a film like Ruhi, which is meant to be watched on a big screen, where you laugh with the whole crowd together and you know, feel scared together. That's a lot of fun. So I think we are very happy and excited.
Of course, I'm happy and I'm excited and I'm
Very.
positive and I'm
Very.
looking forward to this. Shut up. but I won't lie. I am nervous. It's a first, and it is a, you know, we're being courageous about it.
Yeah.
There will only be one first film that releases after 1 year of a pandemic, and we're that film. So I think that in itself is something. But it is a gamble, but clearly we believe in what we've done, and you know, we're hopeful. And
बोर्ड का पहला पेपर होता है ना बोर्ड का जब पहला पेपर होता है ना जैसे उस टाइम पे फीलिंग आती है ना मजे वाली वो आ रही है
मजे वाली
मजे तो बिल्कुल नहीं आए
मेरे
थे,
को तो
मैं
आते
सोई
हैं
नहीं थी 2 दिन तक।
क्यों यार इतनी रिवीजन करी होती है सब कुछ करा होता है आपने प्रिपेयर करा होता है
मैं
आपको
तो एंजाइटी
excitement
में
होती है।
सोई नहीं थी 48 आवर्स तक।
गुड एंजाइटी है ना
good anxiety.
हाँ
John is like, what is this conundrum, this
ये हमारी अलग
paradox?
टर्न चलती रहती है इंटरनल
Okay, so I have a confession to make. I'm super scared of horror movies.
But there's a horror comedy.
Horror
I know,
comedy.
I know. I don't watch any kind of horror movies because I can't sleep alone. Like I'm
You
that
watch Scream?
scared. मैंने आपका ट्रेलर ऐसे देखा है, मैं मजाक
नहीं तो
कर रही।
पिक्चर नहीं ऐसे देखी
मैं लिटरली ट्रेलर मैंने ऐसे ऐसे करके देखा है बिकॉज आई हैव अ प्रॉब्लम, आई हैव अ साइकोलॉजिकल प्रॉब्लम, आई गेट वेरी वेरी स्कैर्ड। लाइक मैंने एनाबेल के ट्रेलर रिलीज के बाद 1 साल अपनी मॉम के साथ सोई हूँ, उतनी डरती हूँ।
1 साल?
Yes, I know.
क्या बात कर
And I
रहे हो
was
यार?
fairly old at that time. So and my point being, it's a completely irrational fear, I know, but it exists now. I can't do anything about it. So I want to know.
You're special, yeah.
Oh
that
yeah,
way.
I'm special.
That way, yeah. Annabelle
Putting
का
it very
trailer
kindly.
देख के you got so scared.
Exactly. Can you imagine?
ट्रेलर में तो वो दिखती भी नहीं है शायद। अच्छा।
थोड़ी सी तो थी। So I want to know all of your irrational fears, like something that doesn't make any sense, but you know you guys have it about anything.
It's a superstition, I think. I have been told that the number 8 for someone else has been unlucky. But it's been unlucky for someone else. It's not necessarily like a universal thing. So I just get scared of the number 8. Anything to do with number 8, I get really like I avoid meetings on the 8th, 17th or 26th. I avoid shootings, like starting shoot on that day. And then on that date, the entire day, I'm always thinking कि कुछ तो गलत होने वाला है, कुछ तो गलत होने वाला है.
किसी और के unlucky number थी.
हाँ.
Someone you know.
Someone I know.
So it's a bit irrational. Yours is worse than mine, yeah. At least I have like actual reasons to be scared of something. Think about it. Either of you.
यार irrational fear तो नहीं है, वैसे ही बड़े fear है लाइफ में मेरे को हाइट से डर लगता है।
वो irrational नहीं है, वो
Irrational,
काफी
proper phobia होता है.
तो यार मैंने भी अपना डर बता दिया।
ओ मुझे ट्रिपोफोबिया है.
What is trypophobia?
Oh!
What is trypophobia?
You know what? Yeah, the circus with the
वो क्या आवाज होती है?
नहीं. Trypophobia is a thing. It's a lot of people have it. It's basically a fear of like holes, like a collection of holes with like hollow
bubble,
holes,
yeah.
like a beehive का.
ओके समझ गया। वो ऐसे छोटे-छोटे गोले से होते हैं जो जैसे वो चींटियां में अंदर जाती है वो वाले ना, है ना? वो जो लेटर बॉक्स के पास भी कई बार होते हैं।
Stop.
Like hollow holes. basically.
Hollow
yeah.
holes.
Okay. Got it.
Hollow holes.
Weird
I'll show you on my
as-
phone.
No, please. Google में बहुत अजीब आँखों के अंदर, जीभ के ऊपर, स्किन के ऊपर. It's
अच्छा
disgusting.
ठीक है
It's
यार
so
मैं ऐसे
bad.
नहीं करता।
My irrational fear. That I know it's again irrational, but I feel that one day I won't be able to act.
ये तो deep वाला fear.
और मैंने क्या बोल दिया? Holes. I said holes and he
नहीं कई बार लगता है कि you know I'll go on a set and then I just won't be able to crack it. It होगा ही नहीं. Yeah.
What is the toughest part for each of you about shooting a horror comedy?
I think more than us, it's the directors. It's tough for the director because he has to maintain the fine balance of horror and comedy. You know, he just can't make it very scary. It just can't make it only funny.
Yeah.
So just to maintain that fine balance, which starts actually from the writing process, and the director has to really take care of it. And of course, as actors, we have to surrender to the script and translate it on screen for him, for his
So
or
is
her
there like
vision.
a switch between like when you're going into horror mode and when you're going into comedy mode, and is that like
Well, the horror in horror comedies also is slightly funnier than the pure horror. It's a fine balance where you don't make it also so spooky that audience get so feel so scared that they feel it's only a horror film. So I think it's a very weird mixed balance.
but tough नहीं था basically आपके लिए cakewalk था sort
Of
of
course, cake walk तो कुछ नहीं था. अभी तो बोला डर लगता है कि एक दिन होगा ही नहीं.
acting भी होगा अभी तो हो रही है what about you guys
I think for this film particularly, maybe it was really hot in Bateshwar with the alcohol makeup.
first for a second I thought you were going to say with the alcohol and I'm like yes
No,
tell me more
no, it was the alcohol.
The alcohol makeup.
I know
For this film, I think it's basically loving a chudel with convincing, मतलब conviction के
Conviction.
साथ to do that with full emotion.
ऐसी चुड़ैल लगती है तो फिर तो
ऐसे नहीं लग रही
ऐसे नहीं
फिल्म
लग
में.
रहे थे वो जैसे लग रहे थे और अभी उसपे वो ट्रैक मार्क्स और वो सब करके कुछ है मतलब फाइनली वीएफएक्स और उन सब के बाद और ज्यादा लगता है कुछ है आई थिंक नॉट इवन टफेस्ट आई थिंक आई जस्ट लाइक वो था कि यार कि विद द ग्रेस ऑफ गॉड वो कन्विंसिंग लगे
हाँ.
बिकॉज अगर वो नहीं लगेगा तो कटन्नी का और अफजा का जो वो एक ट्रैक
Track
चल रहा
है.
है वो मजा नहीं आएगा उसमें या कुछ है सो वो कन्विक्शन के साथ करना एंड ऑब्वियसली एज इवन राज सेड that at the end of the day it's like the director's thing of doing everything together and all that. Our job is to whatever we are doing at that particular time to do it correctly, like to perform correctly and do that. So I think वो पूरा वो जो sections होते थे आप जैसे film देखेंगे एक दो sections हैं उसमें जहाँ पे वो चीज़ आपको महसूस होती है काफ़ी ज़्यादा वो उस टाइम पे मुझे लगता था कि यार वो होता था कि यार ये ठीक से हो जाए ये अच्छे से हो जाए मतलब पक्का लगेगा ना ऐसे ये तो नहीं लगेगा ना कि ये क्या कर रहा है बिकॉज इट्स अ रैंडम थिंग फॉर अ गाय टू लव अ चुड़ैल
Yeah, actually now that I think of it, it was even.
मेरा आंसर
नहीं मैं आप से but actually now that I think of it, it was also for me the fact that Afza was supposed to scare people. It was very important to like maintain a mystery about her so that audiences are genuinely scared. And then there were parts where I had to do some comedy as Afza with him. So how do you do comedy or like try to make people laugh but also make sure that you're scary when you have to scare them? Because एक बार हंसा दिया फिर कैसे डरेंगे? So to try to figure that out was kudos to him. I'm looking like a burnt paratha, but he's still.
you're really parathaing throughout your promotion
But I'm not jala हुआ. And he still managed to look at me with love.
we're going to do a quick game since we are midday so midday and me haha fun favorite midday meal or snack
Chaat.
It keeps changing. Right now it's soya chap and this sweet potato chaat. अच्छा भी रही बोल देती हूँ.
मिड डे मील और स्नैक ना मील भी हो सकता है अमृतसरी कुलचे छोले
3 things you always manage to do by the time it's midday
Shower, workout, pray.
If I'm not shooting, then my workout for sure, and of course shower and everything. I always manage to eat.
शार
I think
ब्रेकफास्ट
let's cut out the shower
ब्रेकफास्ट
We just want to put it out there that we're
clean people
ब्रेकफास्ट लंच डिनर
by midday तीनों
मजाक कर रहा है जोक्स थे यार लिटिल ऐसे ब्रेकफास्ट कर लिया अपना चाय सेशन विद माय फैमिली व्हिच वी डू इट इन द मॉर्निंग दैट एंड if I'm not shooting probably watch a film start off with a film or some content to watch
what is usually your midday mood
Midday mood.
yeah by the time it's like noon
hungry for sure, hungry, and existential.
Depends where we are. If we are on a set, then how
बुद्धू
it's
वाले
going,
जवाब दे
what's the
रही
next
थी,
scene.
सोचो.
Yeah.
so right now it's almost midday or what's midday mood like थोड़ा सा आगे
Right now promotions because we have to go somewhere else also.
not
So
promotion
why?
sitting here with me I'm such a delight
Right now to try those caramel popcorn.
I think I'm
What's your mood right now?
mood मतलब मिड डे मूड इज एक्टिव मैं यूजुअली मैं दोपहर के बाद ही एक्टिवेट होता
ये
हूँ
तो
फुल
करेक्ट
लाइफ
आंसर गाइस
मैं सच्ची मेरा मतलब इवन माय लाइक माय इफ आई एम नॉट शूटिंग और माय मीटिंग एवरीथिंग इज स्टार्ट्स विद सेकंड हाफ ऑफ द डे सो राइट नाउ इज दैट लाइक आफ्टरनून इज द मोस्ट ऑप्टिमम एनर्जी टाइम
who would be your midday phone call like your go-to person during that time if you had to call someone at 12 o'clock
सारे उठे होते हैं.
But like, who would you need at that hour?
It depends. It depends if I'm shooting or not. If I'm home, then it's usually like Sharan or like Tanisha, or if Papa's not in town, then Papa. But if I'm shooting, then it's always Papa. It's usually Naz, and it's also Shari and Tanisha still.
Me too. I'm mostly on calls with Mona, my manager. So I think she's the one who can call me any time of the day.
I think it has to be it's with the team. You activate हो रहे हो दोपहर को तो क्या क्या करना है बाकी का पता तो चलना चलेगा ना.
One instance that you remember being really productive by the time it was midday, like if you, for example, if you had like an overnight scared and you didn't sleep and by the time it was 12 आपने कुछ मतलब बहुत ही पहाड़ उखाड़ दिया था by that time. Some like very good instance.
I think during promotions, I'm actually getting a lot done. We're like knocking off so many interviews, and I did my workout. For the past 2 months, I've been waking up and just going to shoot. So this has been a productive couple of days.
Yeah, maybe I've finished a shoot somewhere in a different city at 2 o'clock, 2 a.m. I've done this. I've like taken a flight just right after that, came to Bombay, finished my thing here, and then went back and started shooting again at 1 o'clock.
मैंने भी यार ऐसे करे. I think actors ऐसे करते हैं.
ऐसे
वो होता
होता
रहता है in and out travel
Jet
कुछ.
setting life.
नहीं jet setting भी है.
It's just the life.
And I think productive यार वैसे समय ऐसे हम बोलोगे आपने क्या productive करा दोपहर
मतलब
तक.
recently अगर कुछ याद है तो
नहीं समझ आया. But I think बहुत कुछ किया यार. मैं क्या बोलूँ अभी मेरे को समझ नहीं आ रहा. बैंक के सारे काम कर लेता मैं दोपहर तक.
fair enough, that's a lot of productivity. Thank you so
main
much.
productivity.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for joining me, guys, and best of luck for your movie. I hope it gets a grand opening and everybody rushes to the theatre.
Thank you.
Socially distanced.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.